Olive oil has various health benefits. The majority of the fats in olive oil are made up of monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAS. These have been shown to increase levels of good cholesterol HDL while lowering bad cholesterol LDL. Out of all plant-based cooking oils, olive oil has the highest levels of MUFAS. Olive oil has many health benefits, including heart health. Olive oil can help lower blood pressure and reduce plaque buildup in arteries. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAS, which can increase good cholesterol HDL and lower bad cholesterol LDL. Anti-inflammatory. Olive oil contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation and the risk of chronic health problems like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Brain health. Diets high in olive oil may help prevent mental decline associated with aging and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Digestion. Olive oil can help with digestion by promoting bile production, relieving constipation, and enhancing nutritional absorption. How to include in your diet. To retain the full nutritional content of olive oil, you can drizzle it over cooked vegetables or salads. Avoid overheating it when cooking, as high heat might destroy some of the nutrients. External application benefits of olive oil. Hair, scalp health. Hair growth. Olive oil can promote hair growth and make hair appear longer and thicker. Softer hair. Olive oil can soften and smooth hair, and reduce split ends. Shine. Olive oil can improve shine and make hair look healthier. Frizz control. Olive oil can tame frizz by sealing cuticles and preventing moisture loss. Scalp health. Olive oil can soothe an irritated scalp and reduce dandruff. Hair breakage. Olive oil can prevent hair breakage by strengthening and moisturizing hair strands. DHT production. Some studies suggest that olive oil can inhibit DHT, dihydrotestosterone, production, a hormone that can lead to baldness. Bacterial infections. Olive oil can reduce bacterial infections. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, including vitamins A and K. It works for all hair types and textures. Skin health. Olive oil contains polyphenols that can protect your skin from damage. It can also be used as a wrinkle treatment by dabbing it around the eye area at night or after sun exposure. Olive oil has many potential benefits for your skin, including moisturizing. Olive oil's healthy fats and vitamin E penetrate the skin to hydrate and lock in moisture. This can help prevent water loss and keep skin smooth and supple. Anti-inflammatory. Olive oil's antioxidant properties can help protect skin cells from inflammation and environmental damage. This can help prevent premature aging and signs of irritation or redness. Exfoliating. Olive oil can gently exfoliate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Olive oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Soothing dry or irritated skin. Olive oil can soothe dry or irritated skin. Protecting from oxidative stress. Olive oil can help protect the skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to accelerated aging. Breaking down makeup. Olive oil can help break down stubborn makeup. Which olive oil is good for use? Olive oil is a liquid fat that's extracted from olives. It's rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are considered a healthier type of fat. Cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil is considered to be even better because the olives are compressed at room temperature, which helps preserve the nutrients and vitamins. Side effects. Olive oil has no serious side effects. But as it is hot in nature, some people may get pimples and inner heat. It's better to consume in winters and external use can be reduced in quantity. If you are allergic, then avoid. Follow Euphoric Skin and Care for more such videos.